Let's be very honest, in crypto, being early is everything, but many a times it happens that you hear about a project too late. Chances are the prices are pumped up and the opportunity is gone. But what if there was a way to spot promising tokens early, earn points, trade directly, and even unlock rewards all in one place? Well, Binance has just made it possible with a feature called Binance Alpha. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how it actually works and why it is worth checking out. So let's get to know first that what actually is Binance Alpha. So it is a dedicated section inside the Binance app that lets you discover the new emerging crypto projects that are backed by real insights, research, and experts. You will find spotlight tokens which are new and curated. You can trade them directly on chain using your existing Binance account. No extra setup, no hassle. And here is where it gets more better. You are not just exploring, you are earning as well. Every time you are trying out the Alpha feature in the Binance app, whether it is for trading, earning points, checking out new projects, you earn Binance Alpha points as well. You can track your points, claim them, and use them to unlock special rewards. Get early access to TGES, that's token generation events, and even participate in exclusive drops. Getting started is super simple. Just open the Binance app, head to the research tab, and then tap on Alpha. From there, you can explore the new trending projects, your Alpha points, and even the rewards that you can claim. It's quick, it's simple, it's clean, and pretty much fun once you get into it. If you are someone who loves to discover the tokens early, or you just want to stay ahead in the crypto game, this app is just for you. Do give Binance Alpha a try. It is smart, it is rewarding, and honestly, it gives the real users like us a real edge in the crypto space. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section what cool projects you came across. If you found the video a bit helpful or informative, do like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.